Today I show you an unboxing of one of the new USB chargers from Ikea or IKEA USB-C charger, and it has power delivery 30 watts. So they have new chargers. There is this one, and I will put a picture of the other one. So this one here is 30 watts, but the other one here is 45 watts. I couldn't find the 45 watts version. The 30 watts has one port, one USB-C port, and that's all. But the 45 watts version has two USB ports, and it will run at 25 or 22 watts if you plug both the two devices in. And full 45 watts if you have only one plugged in. This one that I have, that I could find, is 30 watts, but it's also much cheaper. The 45 watts version, it's I think almost double the price, so you really have to need that to use that. But it's always good to have two USB ports, not necessarily for the 45 watts versus 30 watts, but just to be able to charge two devices at the same time. And this is a very tiny box. We have here the barcode and product information. It seems like here they brought them from the UK, because it's all written about UK specifications. And this is the name of the charger is SJOSS. I think that's how you maybe SJOSS. Sounds like down in my language. One USB-C charger, 30 watts, and this is the important part here. Here is the important part, and you have the details of the charger. And it's 100 volts to 240 volts. This one is the UK plug type, so it's going to be 240. But it's nice to know that it works in any situation. It will draw maximum 0.9 amps, which is a lot on 240 volts anyway. I mean, it's normal to have this. Output 5 volts, 3 amps, 15 watts. One version at 15 watts. But then you have 9 volts at 3 amps, 27 watts, 12 volts, 2.5 amps at 30 watts, 15 volts at 2 amps, 30 watts, 20 volts at 1.5 amps, again the same. And you have Programmable Power Supply, which is some more advanced feature, and you can have between 5 to 11 volts at 3 amps, or between 5 to 16 volts at 2 amps, also 30 watts. So it's very capable. It supports a lot of charging protocols and options. So let's see. It sounds that it has this plug. Depending where you buy it from or where you live, this will be different for sure. And it's interesting, I saw that they have these, I don't know why you have these stickers, maybe the color is interesting. It's like a light greenish, turquoise green tint to it. I wouldn't use the stickers. They're personalized, so you know which charger is yours, I guess, or I don't know if multiple people have the same charger, to know which one is yours. If I would have the same charger as someone else, I would scratch their charger so I know that this is their charger, not mine. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. It's just a joke. So, haha. The 30 watts PD, that's nice writing there. The texture is very interesting. Very simple design. I like the design. They always have nice design things, most of the time at least. And this charger, this should have been removable. I really believe that. Like the power supply for hard drives, to be able to swap it to another shape. But maybe for safety they kept it like this built in. I don't know. These are stickers. You can use the sticker, put it on the case somewhere. Here, I think here, that's a place for it. And there is also some booklet. Don't know, it's gonna be interesting to see what's here. Oh. the information about the protocols. QC4. I saw some things on latest devices, QC charging protocol, but I really don't know details which one is the latest. QC4 plus, so if it has plus in it, it should be good, right? The more charging protocols, the better. It will support more devices, so that's always good to have more charging protocols and features. You can read all these things here if you want to. There is good to know information and warnings and disclaimers. But in these booklets is the truth. They really have to write the truth somewhere, and they will write it usually in the small paper that nobody reads. You can even have you see here you have also information about the efficiency, which is 84.5. That's really good. No load power consumption, less than 0.05 watts. So that's also good. But you should unplug it, or if you have a switch, normally on this type of plug, you have a switch next to the power point, and you should turn it off. Turn off the switch of the power plug on the wall, so it's safe. Average efficiency under 85%, but still really good, 84.5. There must be something at 84, some kind of a standard that they're trying to reach. So it's always nice that they have this extra information in the leaflet. And then there is other languages. So yeah, I mean, I will try to plug in the charger, and for this charger they have a 100 watts USB cable. I really think it's good to use this one. There is the older one. It's a bit stiff, but somehow the new charging cable is more flexible, even though it's more power. So that's interesting. They also recommend the 100 watts charging cable. It might work with the lower rated charging cable, but especially if you're going to use the 45 watts, you for sure should use the, oh, that's a nice click, you should use the more strong charging cable. That's a satisfying click. Clunk, and it's really solid, locked in place. And it's you can change the orientation. It's really solid. So I'll plug it in and we'll see. Okay, so I have the PowerPoint here, easy accessible. I don't think there is any light on it when you turn it on, so that's how it sits. Normally it would be on the PowerPoint on the wall, so very simple there. And now it's ready to use. I can try to plug in my phone and see what happens. So it's as you would expect. It's charging. And actually it's charging, it shows on Sony Xperia 1.5, it's charging rapidly. This is the Sony phone. So it will do fast charging on the Sony phone. On the Samsung phones, like the S23 Ultra, it should also do fast charging. It's plugged in. Oh wow. Now on this one it says super fast charger connected. So it's interesting. I have a Xiaomi battery that doesn't do super fast charging on the S23 Ultra. But it says 22 minutes left, super fast charging connected. And let's try something. Disconnected. connecting the Xiaomi Mi Pro 3 power bank. And now on this one it says fast charger connected, but also 22 minutes until full. So I don't understand if it's a super fast charger, should be faster, or I don't know. Write in the comments below what's the difference on Samsung S23 Ultra, in general Samsung phones, the difference between fast charger connected and super fast charger connected. This is interesting. So that's super fast charging. So if you're wondering on the Samsung phones how fast it will charge, super fast, this is how fast it will charge. I don't know. Should be pretty good. This one is 30 watts maximum, so that's the limit. But on the 45 watts, this might be even faster. The Samsung phone might charge faster. I didn't really go into the details and specifications of the Samsung S23 Ultra for charging, but it's fast enough to me. Thanks for watching. I wanted to buy two, but I think I will buy also the 45 watts eventually when it's available. Now it's not available here, but as soon as it's available, I will check out the 45 watts. Not necessarily for the speed, but to be able to have two ports for charging two devices. I know you can have some adapters, but I prefer the port, the cable, to go directly into the USB device. And that's it. Thanks for watching.